Here's I got 2 packages from a trade that I did. Really excited for both of these figures. So let's get started. Let's open. Camera this way. Nice. That's really badass. And now the second package. Something I've been wanting for a long time. Yes. So we got a DC UC Batman '89 Batman figure that's, I guess, based off of the 1989 movie, which pretty much is. It's really badass. Get the Batarang right there. Is that the remote control one that he used? I think that might be like the remote control one. And then something I've been always wanting, a Clark Kent DC UC figure, pretty much, I guess you could say. Pretty much the same articulation as them anyways. So this is really badass. A little dusty, but Clement. I like it. So that's my trade deal unboxing that I got today. I traded Green Lantern figure for that, and I traded 2 figures for this. So yeah, comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks for watching.